The scale does not measure fat loss, it measures weight loss. So how can we tell if we are losing fat? By your body shrinking. And how can you tell if your body is shrinking? Using a body tape measure. So I recommend that you use this weekly on key sites on your body to track whether or not you are losing fat. And so to give yourselves peace of mind and more of an accurate picture of fat loss, taking tape measurements is going to be key. So this body tape measure, let me just talk through this quickly. Firstly, it starts at the 5. And the reason is because this curvature here is 5 centimeters, or starts just below 2 inches. Same rationale. So that can be something that's confusing to people at the start. They might think that they've got a dud one from China. This is from China, but it's not dud. This is how they are made. For example, I'm going to measure my waist. That's typically the part of the body that most people are more interested in losing fat from because they want to lose the belly. So that's what we're going to do. So grab your tape measure, pull round, and then slot this in the top like so. Once that's in position, there's a button. Press the button to tighten and make sure this is at the side so that it's going in line with the contour of your body. That's essentially the whole point of this machine. And so I'm just letting it tighten up. And then once it's tightened up, you can let go so you know it's in position. I'm just going to check in the mirror to see it's all the right height. And then you simply just take this out. And then you can see here, 74 or 29 inches. Whichever one you're measuring in, just record that as your weight. And then obviously you can just press the button to let it go all the way in before you measure your next site. That's a very simple, quick overview of how to use a body tape measure. I really recommend that if you're on a fat loss journey, you weigh yourself daily and measure yourself once per week. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.